Hello guys, welcome to Christian's Lesson. Today I'm going to show you how to install VBox Guest Editions on Windows 10. To install VBox Guest Editions, go to Devices and press Insert Guest Edition CD Image. Then click on Select to choose what happens with the disk. Then click on Run VBox Windows Editions.exe published by Oracle Corporation. Click on Yes and let's go through the install process. Click on Next. If you want to change the location, you can change it here or and then click Next. Then click Install. Then wait until it fully installs. If a driver prompt comes up, click Yes. Then restart. After you log in, the resolution should be way better, and also you can basically it will run way faster than it ran before. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.